Imagine transforming your business, one sprint at a time. This is the promise of Scrum, a framework where each cycle delivers real, usable features that customers want. At the heart of Scrum lies the increment. Think of it as the tangible outcome from each sprint, always ready to make a difference. For banking professionals, this means customers can now upload their loan documents digitally. No more paperwork hassles. In the following sprint, eligibility checks happen in real time, bringing speed and clarity. By the next sprint, approval notifications are automated through instant SMS, making the loan process effortless. Every sprint creates a new usable increment, layering value and innovation step by step. This isn't unique to banking alone. Telecom companies roll out features that enhance connectivity and empower users, turning ideas into live services that customers depend on. In healthcare, each sprint may introduce secure digital records or streamlined appointment booking, improving both efficiency and patient trust. The cycle is simple, yet profound. Sprint. Working feature. Customer uses it. With every iteration, value is delivered, not next year, but now. When business leaders embrace Scrum, they unlock a path toward continuous transformation. The outcome? Customers experience progress in every interaction. Stakeholders see measurable results, and organizations evolve quickly with confidence. With Scrum, every increment is a step forward, turning vision into impact, one sprint at a time.